Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, I request service-based company to stop doing this. So many service-based company nowadays are not sending any rejection mail, not replying to student queries, no proper reason of rejection. They're selecting without any kind of interview. Marks are not getting displayed by company, mass cheating, and company is unable to stop. And no reschedule of the missed exam. Interviewers are not joining the scheduled interview and no communication thereafter. So friends, we will talk in detail, and definitely this video should reach to the service based company. So please put your queries in the comment box and whatever problems you are suffering. So because of this behavior of service based company, now students are suffering, students are in pain, and we at Online Study for You are feeling your pain. Friends, basically, if my student is in trouble, if my student is in problem, then I also feel the same, because once upon a time I was a candidate, I was a student. Okay, so friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's videos, so definitely I will talk about all those things. Friends, we have got 1,000 plus unanswered queries at Online Study for You. See, when a student says, Bhaiya, I got the interview schedule mail on 18th December for 19th, again they send the reschedule mail, how many days they take, again they send mail. I do not have any kind of answer. Trust me, I do not have, and nobody has this answer. Okay, so bro, I have completed my TR and see, you are treating me as your big brother, right? And you all are my brother and sister. You, whatever I am today, all because of you guys. Now, so definitely I need to understand your problem, your trouble, and I know you guys are, most of you are suffering because of the service based company policies. Okay, so my date of joining is on December 23rd, but it has been rescheduled, but still I have not received next date of joining. Okay, on next batch. Okay, hello guys, I have given the test on November 21st. I still did not get the result. Do anyone know how to contact them? So friends, when this queries comes and 1,000 plus unanswered queries are there at us and we are not able to reply. Now, see why the companies are doing like this. So, you know, IBPS is a body and they conduct banking examination. So what they will do, so they will release the cutoff, okay, and they will send a mail to the selected candidate, okay, and they will send a mail to the rejected candidate. Okay, so there'll be a proper reason. Okay, you did not score marks in aptitude, you did not score marks in reasoning. So IBPS is not a software company. Okay, so it's a body, government body, who conducts this banking examination. But all the service based companies are a top software companies, but still they are not able to handle these things, and this is directly or indirectly impacting the student. See, students will be thinking after writing the examination, they will be in tension. So when they will get the rejection mail, see, or when they will get the selection mail. So once we write the exam, definitely till then the result does not come, we will be in pressure, we will be in tension. This is what human behavior is. If this is not happening with us, we are not human. See, we are suffering mentally, okay, we are suffering physically, we are suffering, all of us are suffering. So friends, I will tell you, please comment as much as possible, please share this video. This should reach to the companies and they should definitely look into this problem and they should resolve it for you, right? Because I cannot see you in problem now, and I know this video will definitely reach to the company people. See, there are many cases where interviewer are not joining the scheduled interview and no communication after that. See, the interview time is suppose 11 a.m. okay, now the candidate is sitting in front of system from 10:30 a.m. thinking that once my interview will get over, I will have my breakfast and all. Now, interviewer is not joining till 5 p.m., 6 p.m. The candidate is sitting simply and waiting for the interviewer in the lobby, but interviewer does not join. This is how you should treat a candidate. This is how you should treat a student. See, everybody is a human, and the interviewer, you were also a candidate one day. You were also a student one day. You think if this is happening with many of the students. We have a lot of comments on our YouTube channel. This is not the correct way, man. Please treat a student as a human being. They are also a human. See, for if there is a interview tomorrow at 11 a.m., they will not sleep whole night. They will be preparing for the interview. Okay, so there will be a sleepless night before their interview, and okay, so there will be a sleepless night. There will be a sleepless night before the interview, before the day of interview, and then you are not joining and you are not informing the student. They are not getting even a single email. This is how you should treat a human. See, they are also a student, and remember, you were also a student, and remember, your son and daughter will be also a student at some days at some point of time. Okay, so please keep that in mind. And then if you are not joining, somehow you please inform them, you send a email. You should not make them wait for this long duration. Okay, so think this is a karma. So whatever you are doing with someone and you, the same thing will happen with you a day. Okay, now friends, because of the company technical issues, students are not able to write the examination. Now what is happening? No reschedule of the missed exam. Even though you keep mailing them daily, they are not responding. See, your technical problem, why students should suffer? See, mass cheating is happening. Who should control this? A student should control this. See, the talent is definitely getting impacted here. Somebody is talented, okay, and practically you cannot solve 20 questions in the given time, but because of this mass cheating, people are able to solve all 20 questions. Definitely talent will defeat over there. See, who should stop this? Again, company is responsible, not students are not responsible. See, you cannot stop people, right? We cannot stop students. We cannot go and stop the Telegram groups. So you can see the Telegram groups, directly the questions will be posted, and even the solutions has been also done, and people are getting job because of that. Being a student, I cannot stop, right? So company has to take decision on that. Okay, there are many companies who are doing selection without interview. What is this? What is this? Where is the talent again? So you are not hiring based on the talent. So interview only you are conducting to showcase that, okay, we are conducting the interview, right? So the interview, what is the meaning of the interview you are conducting? That means you are not going to anyway take that as student. You are doing the selection without interview. You are just selecting however you want. You are running that, right? Marks not displayed by the company. If a student did not get selected, you should display the marks, right? He should know where he is lagging. He is not able to, do well in aptitude. He is not able to, like how IBPS does. See, being a software company, if you are not able to do, how IBPS is able to do? See, IBPS again lacks of the people every year, right? They write the examination and they are quite satisfied with the way they do, right? So they reject the people, they select the people, they tell the cutoff. But here, no, nothing is happening. No proper reason of rejection. You are rejected, even though somebody had very good interview, okay, but he is rejected because you are selecting students without interview. So definitely you will reject them without any proper reason. You do not have any reason, because when you do not have any reason to select without interview, then there is no reason of reject with interview. Okay, now no reply to student queries. See, suppose the interview was conducted, TR and HR happened, it's been 1 month, the student is not getting any reply. Why? See, if you should intimate, okay, see what we tell to a student, if it's been 15 days, you gave your exam, you wrote your exam, or you gave the interview, and if you're not getting result, that means you are rejected. This is how we are telling a student, and this is how we are predicting. Because a student, if they're not getting the results or they're not getting the interview, written test result or interview result, that means they're rejected. See, the company should come forward and take on all the points. Okay, see, they should send a rejection mail. If how much time it takes? See, if suppose the cutoff is 50, you can also do a automation where if a student is getting less than 50, okay, they should trigger a rejection mail that you are not selected. Or there should be some kind of tool should be there where it should be updated. But in the tool also nothing is getting updated. Somebody has done with their TR and HR interview, but still in the portal it shows that only applied. What is this? Why you are not able to update? So friends, I know there are a lot of problems you students are facing, and all because of this service-based company. So I would request you to please comment down all your queries. So if the comment will be more and if the share will be more, definitely it will reach to the companies and they can at least take some action on this point. Otherwise, these things will be keep happening, and your suffering will increase, your problems will increase, and it will be keep doing it. Because I do not think that these companies are treating you as a human. Okay, see, as I gave you an example, so interviewer is not joining and there is no information now, so they're not giving any information. You are sitting till 5-6 p.m. and till evening, and then after that you are sending email, sir, interviewer did not join, when will be my interview rescheduled? Even after 15-20 days you are not getting any response. See, company will have a lot of work, but when there is a mistake from your side, when the HR or when the TR or when the MR is not joining, they should inform the candidate, right? See, I know there will be some HR or some TR or some MR will watch this video. So why there is no proper way of informing the student that because of some reason we are not able to join, we got stuck in some meeting, or we are not able to join? Please do not wait, leave the lobby, we will reach out to you soon. No, there is no mechanism like this. There is no mechanism like this. If somebody is not joining, not joining. Okay. See, they are not thinking that, okay, a human is sitting, a human is waiting. No. See, we are not machine. A student is not machine. And why should they suffer? See, they are putting so much of effort. They're preparing for one particular exam. The exam is getting conducted, no result. The interview is getting conducted, no result, right? So all those things, very lucky people are getting selected without interview. Okay. So now they have stopped doing the interview. Also, interview is getting done for the namesake. Mass sitting, they're not able to stop it. Okay. See, there, everybody knows the openly on the Telegram group, the questions is getting said, people are getting the answers, but we are not able to stop. No reschedule of any missed exam, missed interview, nothing is happening. Okay. Marks also should get displayed by the company. There should be some proper reason of rejection, and there should be reply to the student queries, even if it is 1,000 or 10,000. See, automated reply is there. Automated reply, if you will send anything, automated reply will come. Okay, so this is that. So we will communicate to you after later on. That's all done. After that, nobody is looking into that. Okay, and please send a rejection mail if somebody is not getting selected. So 1,000 plus unanswered queries at online study for you. I will say, please put your queries in the comment box. Okay, please comment, share, and let it reach to the all service-based companies, and they should realize that, okay, so there is some gap, and they should definitely look into that, and then only our problem, your problem, will get solved. Thank you, friends. And as I said, please spread it. Okay, then only something will happen, and the things will keep changing. So thank you, take care. We will meet in the next video.